Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to give you the 10 most important rules if you want to join trading, whatever you want to trade. Let it be crypto, let it be Forex, let it be futures, let it be anything. I think these are the 10 most important rules that you will need on your journey in trading. If you're a trader, you know some of them, but you need to revise them. That is the reason why this video is up. The first reason and the 10th will be the most important. Anyway, the first one is always have a trading plan. Yes, make sure you have a trading plan because it is the most important thing when you're trading anything out there. Whatever trades you're going to take, make sure they are in the plan. They follow the rule, right? How do you set a trading plan? It is very easy. When you're starting your trading journey, make sure you develop a plan that you're going to follow while doing those trades. We shall go to number 2 and always keep learning and improving your skills. Most traders forget this. They stop studying, they stop improving, thinking they have got it all, but they don't. So you as a trader, you always want to keep on learning and improving your skills. Read about certain strategies, try out different things until you find your masterpiece. All right, I think that is the second most important thing, like evolving. Always read, watch videos, learn from other traders, whatever the case may be. The easiest way you learn, make sure you go ahead and always improve your skills. Watch all your gurus. I won't discourage you from watching social media gurus. Maybe you learn from them, but always learn and always try improving your skills. We shall go on with the third. I think this one is also important. Trade only with money you can afford to lose. Most people go out there and start losing crazy amounts of money that they cannot even afford, and also go into borrowing so that you can trade. That is not ideal. Be very, very realistic. Trade with money that you can afford to lose. For example, if you earn $1,000, because most traders are not doing it full time. If you earn $1,000 a month, use $200 for trading. All else, you are in for a long ride. So only use money that you can afford to lose while trading. Do not risk your money. Do not go and borrow money. Do not go and start begging people for money to trade. No, don't do that. Trade with money you can afford to lose. Okay, I hope you guys are listening to me, and I hope I'm loud and clear on this one. I cannot stress it enough. Trade with money you can lose. Then we shall jump into number 4. I don't want this video to be very, very long. That is why I'm here to encourage you. Trading is fun, trading is nice. But we shall go to number 4. Set realistic expectations, guys. Make sure you set very realistic expectations while trading. You have capital of $200 and you want to make 10,000. It's not realistic. Okay, make sure you set the best realistic expectation. You have 1,000, you plan on making $300 a month. That is more realistic. You have 10,000, you plan on making 1,000 a month. That is so realistic, and it is very, very achievable, right? So set realistic profit expectations and you won't be disappointed in this thing called trading. Whatever it is you're trading, crypto, futures, Forex, currencies, S&Ps, whatever you're trying to trade, set realistic profit expectations. Do not hope to buy a Lambo with $1,000 of investment. No, that it doesn't work that way. Be realistic. Say, okay, I have 2,000. If I make $200 a month, I'm good. That is how it works, because people keep on blowing up accounts on accounts and they get frustrated. In the end, they tend to leave trading. Yet you shouldn't. I'm going to teach people how to trade, whatever you want, because it is the easiest way to make profits. But let us continue with other rules. These are the golden rules of trading. If you don't know these rules, you're making losses throughout your trading career. The golden rule number 5 is always put a stop loss. I shouldn't even be saying this, but these are the 10 commandments of trading. Always put a stop loss. That is number 5, okay? If you don't put a stop loss, you're not trading, you're not doing anything, you're gambling. So put a stop loss, calculate. There are a lot of trading calculators out there that you can immerse yourself with. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Patreon, join my Discord. That's all. I'm not selling you any courses, or you could go in and buy the book that I put up on Amazon. Yeah, anyway, that is rule number 5. Always put a stop loss. I know the people trading know this. You will be tempted not to use it because you'll say, I'll get out quick. No, don't do that. Put a stop loss. We shall jump to number 6. Secure your gains with take profit. This rule is the most important one. I know I keep saying that, but it is so important to secure your profits before it's all gone. Have 1,000. Say if I make 100, I'm withdrawing the 100. Make another 100, withdraw another 100. That is how this game works. That is how you become profitable. Then we shall go to number 7. Most people enjoy using leverage. So this is about leverage. The more you use, the riskier it gets. I know people say the more profits you make, which is true, but also the riskier it does get. So use leverage that you can. Do not start with small leverage and then graduate, right? Then we shall go to number 8 right now, because I'm feeling excited about these rules, the golden rules of trading anything in the markets, financial markets, even other businesses that you can take part in. Number 8 is going to be, you have to control your emotions. Let me talk to you as a young person, maybe a young brother, a young sister out there. You have to control your emotions. I think this is the hardest thing that keeps most people unprofitable in trading. They do not control the emotions. Learn. This is the first thing you have to do, to learn how to control your emotions. This rule is important in life. It is important in careers. It is important in jobs. This is a golden rule of life. Control your emotions. Be calm. Do not take rash decisions. Always try your level best to stay calmer. You have to be calm. Control your emotions. Follow these rules that I'm giving you very, very well. And I'm telling you, you're going to be very profitable. You're going to be able to achieve things that you have not been achieving before. And that will lead me to golden rule number 9. You have to diversify your profile. Let us say you have an account in one broker. Go to another broker and make another account. If you concentrate on one, you're going to be frustrated, my friends. Diversify your profile. For example, you can trade GBP USD on weekdays, all gold, which is very tough. Gold is not easy, but it is the most profitable in the market. So if you're tough out there, you can go in for gold. Maybe US 30, USD, JPY, whatever you're choosing to trade, on the weekdays. And if you want to continue trading on the weekends, you could go in for a crypto account, right? You could trade crypto on the weekends. Diversify your profile is what golden rule number 9 is. Drum roll. Golden rule number 10 is hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Preparation is key. Yeah, hope for the best. Hope to make $100 a day. Be very positive, but prepare to lose 1,000 a day. You could lose 1,000. So do not lose 1,000. Say maybe I'm losing 10 a day. In order for me to make 100, right? You see, that is how it works. Maybe risk 20 in order to make 100. That is how trading works. These are the golden rules of trading, and I'm going to just remind you of the golden rules. As we have said, number 1 is always have a trading plan. Number 2, keep learning and improving your skills. Number 3, Trade only with money you have and you can afford. Do not go into borrowing. Do not do that. Number 4, set realistic profit expectations. 5, always use a stop loss, my friends. 6, secure your take profit. Take your profits, withdraw them immediately. 7, remember leverage increases your risks too. Not only profits but risks too. Number 8, control your emotions. Meditate, control emotions. That is something you guys have to learn by force. Number 9, diversify your portfolio. And number 10, hope for the best but prepare for the worst. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.